Hey, good morning, guys. I'm on the Sprinter today, and what I want to do is I want to give me some panels over the ceiling. I want to get them pre-cut and kind of mocked up, fitted, but I'm going to take these original factory lights down. So I'm going to try to find the where the spot wheels are right here, drill these out and pull this down, because I got some puck lights I'm going to put in here, and this is down below this surface, so I want that off there. So I got that one and this one here to deal with this morning. So that's what's going on. So you can see here. So you can see right there's one spot wheel on here. It's like maybe there. There's one. So I'm going to start with them. I'm just going to drill them out, get this thing broke loose. So what I do here to get these spot wheels out is I just pre-drill me a little hole right in the center, and I don't even drill all the way through. I just try to drill through this part. Then I come back with a spot wheel cutter, go up in here, and I just try to drill through the bracket. And then when you do that, then it should, if you get in the center, you can see there that this side's broke loose now. So I do the same thing over here with these holes. One of them I can't see, but I got this one marked. And then that bracket should come down. So you can see I was able to hit them spot welds pretty good. This one I'm a little bit off, because that's the only thing holding it. And if you do that, then you can get these things out without making a whole lot of mess, I think. Because it's loose now. See there? That's all we had to do. This back one's a little more aggravating to get out. I drilled the front two out, but it has spot welds in the side here, and it's really hard to see. I think this is one of them, but I can't tell on the other side. So let me so I can drill that out. Maybe I can tell what the other one is. I never was able to see that one, but once I got these three drilled out, I was able to break it loose. So, not too bad. I don't know about this. I might have to get my little honey out here to help me. I was on my way, but I was on the camera now. So to save y'all, pull this back up. Wow, went up there. Oh wow. Holy cow. Could have used a little help right there. But we'll see. I might be able to use this. So about two of these come off of that side that I'll use for the bed frame. I'll put this in here because I want to see what I need to do up here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut me a 2x4, and it's going to go, I still got to screw it in with some long screws and screw it into the metal behind here. I've got one screw in here right now. But I've got this in here, and I'm going to slide this all the way up to butts that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have another board behind here that's straight that this will go up against. Then I can screw into that this way. And what I've done here temporarily, I've marked me some I've marked me a line across here, and I can run me some sheet metal screws, 7/8 sheet metal screws up in here, and tap it into these braces. And I'm going to do a couple of them in there to where then I can mark right here, and I'm going to cut this off in the center. This brace back here. That'll be one of my panels, and then I'll have another panel going from here to the back. Hey guys, real quick, I was going to show you that I got this panel kind of fitted up here now, or fitted. Got this panel up here now. I've got my puck lights put in here, temporarily wired. I just wanted to see how they do. And what I did is I actually run my wires. I run this. You know, it's your hot and your ground. I ain't gonna ground my LEDs to the body, but I'm running these all the way back to this corner back here, as you can see. And you know, you just hook these up in parallel. You could actually just run them over to here and then run your main wire up through here and hook them up to that. But I'm gonna put them all the way back here, and I'm gonna have me a box back here with a switch panel, and I'm gonna have lights hooked up back here, and I'm actually going to maybe have another switch over there when you come in the door. But for now, I run these back here and just hooked them up parallel, all my reds together, all my blacks together. And then got me a battery here just to test them, and you can see that will come on. Okay, some of the things that you start, you might decide you don't like. So this is what I was putting in the back to bolt my ceiling panel to the back, because you know, up here you don't have nothing, you know, other than this to screw your ceiling panel to. The problem is you have these trusses or supports that come down further than this. If you kind of see about where my black line is, it comes down about here. Well, the wood piece I was putting up there I didn't like, so I'm going to take this piece of metal and I'm going to bend it up here like so, and I'm going to weld me some little angle brackets on the back so I can screw this in. So, and then that'll give me, this is 1 inch wide, and that'll give me enough support to screw that ceiling panel in. So this is what I came up with, and I like this a lot better. I just welded me some brackets on here, left my piece in there, and now I can just screw up into this, and that's really solid. So I'm going to unscrew that, spray a little paint on it, just keep them resting, and then I can try to start fitting this panel. It's kind of going to be a little aggravating because I want to try to cut it close to this fan. So we'll see how that turns out. Stuff like this is always the scary part. I just use a little 4-inch grinder with a thin cut-off wheel to cut this out for my fan, and hopefully that's going to be close for this. And yeah, if you was eyeballing this, I was about to screw up bad, because I had this thing is close to the same length that it is width. It's like 59 long and 54 wide, and I almost cut this part out. Well, we got it up in there, so I'm real happy with the way it fit. I got to trim this down. Got to go up in there and fit flush up against the ceiling here, so you won't see none of that cut. Got to finish putting the screws in it, but I'm gonna wait because I'm going to drill maybe here, and up in there for some more puck lights. So I think this will be my last puck light I have to drill. I just put one right there and one right here, and we'll add this one over here, hopefully. I don't have my puck lights, but I'm gonna go ahead and run my wires up through here, and then I can go ahead and finish screwing my panel down. Got all the lights hooked up, and it's really bright. This white ceiling's probably gonna help, and the walls may wind up being white, but all of it's hooked up except the one light in here. Yeah, it's really lit up. And like I say, for now, I just got everything run over here. Hooked up to a battery, temporary battery. Alright, back to work. This is the material that I've used for my ceiling. I'm not sure if you can see that. But it has the outer layer is aluminum, and I'm not sure what that inside material is. It's like almost like a rubber, because when I drill it, it comes off like in a black powder. But I mean, this was on that. If you watch some other videos, this was on that sign that I got at an employee auction, and so I think I'm gonna like it, because what I'm gonna like is if I have to do something else, it's not gonna be so bad to pull this whole panel down. I hear a lot of people that's put the tongue groove boards up, and they say that they wish they hadn't, because they have to go back and have to pull so many boards out to do something. This, you can just drop this panel. It might be there may be a dozen screws or more, maybe 16 screws in this, and just drop the whole panel down.